Hello student, through this video I am going to discuss about the CBSE revised physics practical syllabus for class 11 for the session 2022-2021. Here we will see what was the earlier physics practical syllabus and what is the new one. So let us start the discussion. For the physics practical syllabus, 32 classes is allotted for this year 2022-2021. What was earlier 60 period. Now within 32 periods we have to complete total physics practical syllabus. Now let's see what is the physics practical syllabus. In your physics practical syllabus there is two sections, section A and section B. In section A, there is few experiment and activity. In section B also, there is few experiment and activity. From section A, minimum 4 experiment you have to perform. Like as section A, from section B also, you have to perform 4 experiment. That is total 8 experiment you have to perform in the lab. And its record, that is records of 8 experiment you have to write in the physics practical note copy. What was earlier 12 experiment was there. Now let's see about the activity syllabus. The activity syllabus, it is not changed. What was earlier, it is same for this year 2022-2021. Minimum 6 activity, that is from section A 3 activity and from section B 3 activity, that is total 6 activity you have to maintain in your practical note copy. That activity will be demonstrated by your teacher and its record you have to maintain in the practical note copy. In the previous physics practical syllabus there was an investigatory project work and the report have to be submitted by the students. But in the revised physics practical syllabus, there is no project work. It is totally removed from the syllabus. Now about the time of physics practical exam. The time is same as earlier, that is it is 3 hours. The total mark of the physics practical exam. The total mark of the physics practical exam is 30 marks. And it is also same as earlier. Now about the evaluation scheme. In the physics practical exam, the student have to perform 2 experiment. That is from section A 1 experiment and from section B another experiment. That is total 2 experiment the student have to perform. Each experiment carry 8 marks. That is total 8 plus 8, 16 marks is coming from the experiment. What was earlier 7 plus 7, that is 14. From the practical records copy, and that records copy it is on the records of experiment and activity, that record copy will carry 7 marks. In the revised physics practical syllabus, no need to perform any activity in the exam time. Now from the Viva. From Viva on experiment and activity, the student can carry 7 marks. So, 16 marks is coming from the experiment, 7 marks is coming from the practical record copy and more 7 marks is coming from the Viva. So, total 30 marks is coming from the physics practical exam. So that's all our discussion about the physics practical syllabus and about the evaluation scheme. Thank you to all.